you need is a glue stick or tape. I have both. Scissors, 6 sheets of A4 size paper, and a pencil if you need. So first of all, we'll take the first paper and fold it from the smaller side, not the longer side, like this. So when you're done, apply some glue. So now you have this type of roll. So keep this aside and make an identical roll like that. So now you put this and got another identical roll like this. So now take another paper and take something like a paper take. And glue it again. Take the toothpick out again on the shape. And now you've got yourself a paper roll. So you have got to make another one like that. Got yourself another stick. So what we did from the starting is make 2 sheets and make 2 rolls like this. Then we made 2 rolls of paper like this. So now what we have to do is attach this end with this end of these rolls. We attach it and then we tape it. And now you tape it like this. And cut it out for the scissors. So now you've got a big roll by attaching 2 rolls. And now what you've got to do is put one end through one roll just about at the end, not over the end, just about at the end. And the other one also. And the next thing you've got to do is tape it again. Something looking like this. So it started to look like a banana. Yes. So the next thing includes scissors, which is to just cut off the tip of this like this to make it in a shape of a another piece of paper and put it on this. Put it on like this. And now you've got yourself a complete sword. But there's still something left, which I'm gonna make you do. Put this aside, and we need to tape the bottom. So tape the bottom as I said. And even trim off there. So now you've kind of got yourself a sword. So the thing that is done right now is that I secured this white way so it does not wobble. Now look, it does not wobble around the table. But still there's a what to do is fold it in half like this. Then you have to fold it again in half. And then well, this will be fine. So you just need to draw a circle. Take out a pencil and draw a circle. You drew it. Now in the middle of the circle, draw how big is your sword's tip area so you can fit it through. Now you have to cut it. Wow, that was magic, I guess. Yes. So take this, cut it out like this, and just fit it